Hello and welcome to Cannon County High School Algebra 2. Today is another in our series of videos designed to help those of you who are doing some makeup work for third quarter to bring your grade up to passing. Today we're going to look at R.1, which is converting from exponential form to logarithmic form. So, Mr. Lyon, as always, I'm going to have you sit over here and watch. Make sure we don't mess up. Here's what you need to know in order to do R1. You got two forms of an exponential equation. You have exponential form and logarithmic form. Y is equal to b to the x, that's exponential form, and log base b of y equals x is logarithmic form. There are two ways of writing the same equation. And throughout this video, you're going to hear me using the words argument, log, and base. And they're the same for both forms, but you need to understand what they mean. In exponential form, the argument is equal to the base raised to the log. Remember that a log is an exponent. We talked about that over and over in class. A logarithm is just an exponent. That's all it is. For logarithmic form, log base b, so again, b is the base, of the argument is equal to the log. And if it helps you, write this down on a sheet of paper as you're doing the IXL because it will make it a lot easier for you to fill in the blanks. So let's try some of these. Here's IXL R1. I'm going to zoom in on that just a little bit, make it easier to see. All right. This one says, write the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So 4 to the 0 power is equal to 1. That's exponential form. And they want us to rewrite it in logarithmic form. They're asking us to find the base. So which of the numbers here is the base? The base is the number being raised to the exponent, which in this case is 4. So that's the answer. All right, here, exponential form, y to the second power is equal to 81. 9 to the second power is equal to 81. So in logarithmic form, you have the base 9 raised to the logarithm is equal to the argument. So in this case, what number is missing? The 2, the logarithm, the exponent. The 2 is the answer. 9 raised to the second power is equal to 81. All right. On this one, they give us logarithmic form and they want us to write exponential form. So here in logarithmic form, just think of this as 3 to the second power is equal to 9. The base raised to the logarithm is equal to the argument. So what's missing from this? The base is what's missing. The base is the number being raised to the exponent, the logarithm. So in that case, this is 3. So I think you get the idea. What happens if there is no base? Well, this one says 10 to the third power is equal to 1,000. When it says log and there is no number where the pen is pointing, that means it's a common logarithm and that means it's base 10. So there's a little invisible 10 right there where the pen is pointing. So that means 10 to what power is 1,000? In this case, they want the exponent. They want the logarithm, which is 3. Okay. Let's skip a level and see if we can make these problems more difficult. All right, let's try this one. They've given us exponential form, 10 to the 0 power equals 1, because anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So again, this is a common log because they don't show me the base, which means the base is 10, which is what we see right here. The base is 10. So 10 to the 0 power equals what? What's the argument? The argument is 1. 10 to the 0 power equals 1. Three to the third power equals 27. That's exponential form. 3 to the third power equals 27. I think you get the idea. You can see we're already up to a 25 here. Let's see if we can skip another level. We'll do one more and see how this works. Let's see here. -3 equals the log base 3 of 1/27. Well, all they did, they gave us logarithmic form, but they tried to make it more difficult just by switching it around left and right. We've got 3 to what power equals 1/27? 3 to the -3rd power equals 1/27. And that's it. All right, so you get the idea. That's really all there is to this. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and make sure you tune in every day to check out these videos. I'll try to post at least one video a day of this makeup material. Thanks for watching. Bye.